So I thought I'd give you a quick overview on what to expect during the sign up. The first thing, you just need to put in your email, create a password, and they are going to ask you to add a credit card. And the reason for that is if there's a lot of traffic on your website and they need to charge you that there's a credit card to charge. So what you can expect is there'll be a $1 charge from Amazon Web Services to that card, but they will reverse the charge. It's just to test that the card actually works. So if you're not happy with doing that, then I don't know of any other way to sign up. The other thing, after you go through some of the steps, you'll get to a point where it says select a support plan. Now, that support plan, in my example, we're not using any support plan. I'm just doing a free plan. It's basically if you want some help from Amazon, but you don't really need that if you know how to use it. After you've done all that, you will sign in as a root user, and depends if you're planning on getting a few people to use a website, but in my example, I'm just going to use a root user. And after you log in, in the next videos, I'll go over how to create a bucket, add content, and all those kind of things. At this point, it's probably useful also if you're planning to get your domain name from another company, not through Amazon. You might want to start getting that ready. I'll include a link with Namecheap in the description if you'd like to compare prices on Amazon and Namecheap, but you just need to get it at any normal domain company. And once you get the domain, we will go into certain settings to connect it to the host which we're creating. So it's a good time to get that sorted now, and in the next video we'll continue with buckets.